This is a welcome sound, the first live recital on the Stafford campus in almost 2 years, courtesy of the Factory Seconds Brass Trio.
Well, we are all the second chair players in our respective sections in the Cleveland Orchestra in Ohio. Second chair trumpet, second chair horn, and second chair trombone. And so we thought, well, we have to do something with seconds in the title. And we thought, wow, factory seconds, that's kind of an interesting term that maybe it's a little dated, but we liked the sort of the image or the mindset of that it was something, a remainder or a leftover or a lesser quality. And we thought that was kind of a tongue-in-cheek title for us, so we've run with it.
I met these folks a couple years ago at a performance at Carnegie Hall of my concerto. They were premiering a piece by a friend of mine named Clinton Needham. It was a piece for the trio and a wind ensemble. And again, it premiered at Carnegie Hall, and we got to know each other. And then I had another performance of that same concerto by the Eastman Wind Ensemble at Severance Hall, where they normally play. And so we hung out that night together, and they asked if I'd write them a piece, and I said, sure. And I said, hey, what about maybe coming down to Texas? Do you have some other schools that you could also kind of get a concert playing with and maybe work with some students and make it worth your while? And then they got the UMKC thing, and then they said, hey, we'd love to come and play a concert for you at HCC. And I said, yay, let's do it. And let's make it happen. And then obviously today we worked, they did some really awesome work with the students, read a student composition, and gave us a great concert. One of our passions and really a mission for the group is to both commission and perform new music. And to that end, we had our performance tonight. We had a premiere of Joey Love's Movement from his upcoming trio. And last week we premiered one piece that was written especially for us by an established composer. And then we also premiered for student works because we were at the University of Missouri in Kansas City, and we're fortunate to be able to work with some of their composition students who were quite talented. They have quite an international program there that brings students from all over the world, and it was really great to be able to play some new music that some students had written. Our website is factoryseconds.org, and on that you can listen to clips of us playing. You can see our repertoire lists, keep up to date with upcoming dates that we have, and see some really cool photos of us too.
For HCC Beat, this is Randall Williams.